Here we go.
Let's present it.
Oh, now you look cute. So, what are we making today, baby?
We're making some crab cakes.
Ooh. Fresh crab meat or can?
This is
The simplest way we can do it.
Yeah, we're doing the simplest way. So we're doing it with canned crab meat. So I
Oh, there you go.
2 cans of 6-ounce crab meat, which I weighed it, and it came out to be about, when I drained it, it came out to be about 10 ounces. So it's a little short of a pound.
Okay, beautiful.
I've used.
All right.
I just add this in.
And what gave you the idea to make crab cakes?
Well, I love crab cakes, and my honey likes crab cakes. So.
And when you say your honey, is that referring to me? That's my girl.
I want to see. So it's an Old Bay. This is the whole thing too with meat, spices.
Yes, knowing
sure
the
they all-
ingredients of your spices is very important because you do not want the stuff
You
that's
don't
going
want
to.
taste that. Okay,
Yeah.
So what's in
Old Bay.
is celery salt, which we love salt. Salt, celery seed, spices are red pepper, black pepper, and paprika. So I'm gonna.
That's very good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna.
There's
actually-
nothing negative in
Yeah,
those
I'm gonna put
ingredients.
Another one in here. So I'm gonna put the full amount that they required. I think I did something with my teaspoon. What I did, that was only a half a teaspoon. Right here.
Teaspoon of Old Bay.
Yeah. This is actually half a
This
teaspoon.
is the magical seasoning,
Yeah, this
everybody.
is the magical seasoning. We'll see once we're done. If we like it. I like to smell everything. I like it to smell good. If it doesn't smell
Are you going to
good,
use lemon juice?
I did put a little bit
Little
of
lemon juice?
I actually put like a half a teaspoon in.
And what
Just
else?
Different from the recipe. So what I did was I put a
Paprika?
No, what we did was I used all the ingredients that were in it. I read all the reviews.
And they didn't say paprika?
No, what they said was
No smoked
I think
paprika?
I think it's in here. Paprika's in Old Bay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, so now I'm just going to add the ingredients, and it said to be very careful not to over store. So what I did was.
So whose recipe are you trying? Where did you get this particular recipe?
On All Recipes.
Allrecipes.com.
I love their recipes.
Give them a try.
Yeah,
Have
so
anybody?
I-
Beautiful.
So we're gonna stir that.
So now she's just gonna stir it up. Now some crab meat I've noticed comes very chunky, and they say you want to keep some of the chunks in there when you make your crab cakes.
Yeah.
This was not a very chunky crab cake. So when you mix it, you just fold it. You don't want to destroy it, right? But this is already a finer,
already broken up.
already a broken up crab meat.
'Cause we've
But this
never-
is our first attempt.
This is our first attempt.
And I'm not one to complain when my wife decides to get busy. I let her roll.
So what I'm. So now I'm at the point where I am done stirring, and I'm going to make them into patties. And I did read online that someone put them in the refrigerator for an hour, and I'm going to try that technique.
Okay, so we'll come back later. We're going to put this in the fridge for an hour and follow the rules. That's what we're going to do. Well, there goes a quick hour. So she's making some patties, and she's going to just line them there. I don't know why you put them in the refrigerator. I think it's just to get all of the ingredients at the same temperature so that we get much more. And look, just a little patty. That's all it is. And I'm going to be in heaven tonight. And so there she goes making the patties, and we'll get back with you.
Yeah, so we're going to put them in the hour after I fold them.
Well, they're looking good too. So that's pretty much all there is to it. You chill them, and then how do you cook them?
I'll cook them in butter, but I'm going to add a little olive oil because and I'm going to cook on low heat, not so high, so that they don't burn.
And I've heard that they are a fragile patty, so get them into their shape and lower them into the pan. Don't touch them
Yeah.
until they get that crust on the bottom, so that holds the whole patty together. Then you can get a spatula under or whatever technique you use.
I did read
and
some
flip
reviews
them.
about
Yes.
them. Some people were dipping them in the breadcrumbs and then just on one side, and then just kind of like to make the crust.
Yeah.
I think just so they don't fall apart.
Right.
So, you
So
know,
that's all there is to it. And then we're going to end this video right here. That's how easy it is. Then you put them in the frying pan, brown both sides of it, and anything else you want to do to it and add to it, that's totally fine for you. But give crab cakes a try, and don't forget to use Old Bay. That's a really good stuff right there. Look at that. Look at that. And thanks for watching. We'll probably put up a video of the finished product. Thanks.